What's the meaning of batch processing? Batch processing. Batch processing.
Batch processing. Batch processing. Batch processing refers to a method of processing large amounts of data in batches, rather than processing each piece of data individually. It involves collecting a set of inputs or data in advance and processing them all at once, as a single batch. This allows for efficient processing of large volumes of data in a relatively short amount of time. Batch processing is commonly used in industries such as finance, manufacturing, and healthcare, where large amounts of data need to be processed on a regular basis. It also serves as an effective way to automate recurring tasks and simplify complex processes, resulting in increased efficiency and productivity.